It is a winter wonderland in Colorado. Good evening and thank you for joining us at 5. I'm Ann Trujillo.
I'm Shannon Ogden. Glad you're with us tonight. The storm is coming to an end. We have snow totals though for you with meteorologist Mike Nelson.
And Mike, today was a good day to celebrate St. Patrick's Day at home or inside, I guess.
And a quick note, the reason that weather people can't wear green is behind me is actually a green wall that projects all the maps. So I would disappear, which some might prefer given these snow totals. Genesee had 15 inches. Ponderosa Park, Northwest Elbert County had 12. Parker 10.5. At our studios here we had 5. Out at DIA about 7.2. It's coming to an end, but there are still some flurries. Roads are wet, and later on tonight as temperatures drop, they're going to turn slick. We're 35 currently in Denver, expected to drop into the upper teens by early tomorrow morning. The only advisory still in effect out toward Burlington. They're moving off into Kansas. There's a blizzard warning in effect in west central Kansas around the town of Hayes, so that storm is certainly cranking things up out that way. And you can still see some of those snow showers off to the west of us, up around the Boulder area, extending up toward Estes Park. Take you to Boulder right now. That is the view currently on the Pearl Street Mall where snow is coming back in. So we'll get snow showers yet this evening. We'll call them flurries. They'll be ending. It'll be cold tonight. Slick streets and sidewalks. The main road's okay. Watch out those side streets and those sidewalks. Warmer for the weekend, but there is another snowstorm coming our way on Monday. I'll have details.